Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Lula Zulfaindah, NIM 18130111053 from class 4C. On this very good occasion, through this video, I'm going to give explanation regarding the problem solving process of PISA question 2009, and I choose the question in Unit 3 to give explain apple. Okay, the purpose in making this video is to help improve mathematical reasoning ability in answer question mathematics. This is because sometimes problem that arise are problem caused by the extent of daily activity or experience. It is possible to have a variety of solution, not focus on one method, let alone formula. Well, let's to the point. A farmer plant apple tree in a square pattern in order to protect the apple tree against wind. The plant conifer tree all around the earth hand. Here you see a diagram of this situation where you can see the pattern of apple tree and conifer tree for any number n of row of apple tree. You can understanding first for the picture that present. Question 3.1, we complete the following table. For each apple tree, there are 8 conifer tree. For question 3.2, we counting the total of apple tree and conifer tree for pattern that explained in the previous page. There are two formulas that can use. The first formula, total of apple tree equals n squared. The second formula of total conifer tree equals 8n. We know that n is number of line of apple tree. Same as total of conifer tree, find the value of n. N squared equals 8n. N squared minus 8n equals 0. N times n minus 8 equals 0. N equals 0 and n equals 8. So we can get n equals 8. N squared equals 8 squared equals 64. 8n equals 8 times 8 equals 64. N squared equals 8n. Get n equals 8. 8 times 8 equals 64 and equals 8. N equals 8. 8 times 8 equals 8 square. Respond including both the answer n equals 8 and n equals 0. Question 3.3. Suppose the farmer wants to make a much larger or hatch with many row of tree. As the farmer makes the or hatch bigger, which will increase more quickly, the number of apple tree of the number of conifer tree. Explain how you found your answer. So, the answer of this question 3.3 is apple tree, accompanied by a valid explanation. For example, 1. Apple tree equals n times n, and conifer tree equals 8 times n, but apple tree have another n which will get large, where the factor 8 stay the same. The number of apple tree increase more quickly. 2. The number of apple tree increase factor because the number is being squared instead of multiplied by 8. 3. Number of apple tree is quadratic. Number of conifer tree is linear, so apple tree will increase faster. And the last, response use graph to demonstrate that n squared exceeds n after n equals 8. Apple tree based on specific example or based on extending the table. 1. The number of apple tree will increase more quickly because if we use the table or preview page, we find that the number of apple that increase faster than the number of conifer tree. This happen especially after the number of apple tree and the number of conifer tree they are equivalent. 2. The table show of the number of apple tree increase factor, or with some evidence that the relationship between n squared and 8n is understood but not very clearly expressed. 3. Apple tree if after n more than 8. 4. After 8 rows, the number of apple tree will increase more quickly than conifer tree. And the last, conifer tree until you get to 8 rounds, that tree will be more apple tree. That was a discuss about Unit 3. Thank you for your attention and see you.